It was a beautiful day in the land of Ham, and Bungle was playing with stones. He was throwing the stones at a tree. When Bungle's father saw what he was doing, he was upset. "That's dangerous," said Bungle's father. "You don't want to throw stones at birds and bees." "You don't want to bother the bees," said Bungle's dad. "They help the berry bushes turn their flowers into berries. And the birds eat the berries. And we eat the berries too." Bungle found a coconut. "What about all the fruit we don't eat?" asked Bungle. Bungle's dad explained that the fruit that falls on the ground gets eaten by the worms. And the worms turn it into soil, so more trees can grow. Bungle thought about this for a while. The bees help the trees grow the fruit, and the fruit gets eaten by the birds and by the worms, and the birds eat the worms too. "That's right," said Dad. Bungle was amazed. Everything works together. The birds and the bees and the flowers and the trees. "That's where all our food comes from," said his dad. "Let's go home and have some dinner," said Bungle, "just like the birds do." And so they all gathered together for a wonderful dinner. With delicious food. Bungle liked the way that everything in nature was connected. The birds, the bees, the flowers, and the trees, and the delicious food